What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. And I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world and you like this kind of stuff. So it would be sick if you would want to smash the subscribe button, because as we get bigger, guys, I will be doing project cars and a few vlogs, and we will be doing giveaways. But I can't do it without your help. I promise you, this channel will get better the bigger it gets. But I really do want to do a project car and obviously turn this channel into a talk show as well. It would be pretty sick indeed. They are the plans. So hopefully, you'll help me along this journey and you become part of the team. So in today's video, guys, it's just a quick one. Something I thought of as I was browsing his channel is Life of Palos, and I was just thinking there. A question towards E, and I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, because that's what we're here to do. We're here to discuss, and just something I just noticed. Do you think he is very biased towards Stradman and DD? Now, before I get into this, I am going to even admit, if you look at my channel, I do cover a lot of Stradman and DD because they're probably the two biggest car channels. Obviously a lot of people watch both of them, and you cover them, you're literally going to be getting a lot of views. Look, we know this, but not all my videos. If you go through my videos, I do cover a lot of other small YouTubers as well, or normal YouTubers. I try not to always be with DD and Stradman, but they do a lot of stuff that other people aren't doing, and that's why they're kind of covered. But at the end of the day, when you look at Aaron's channel, it's literally just every heading is Stradman and DD. It's every one of them. It's insane. Now I know, look, he does cover basically a lot of car YouTubers, but I don't know. I wonder. Look, this is just asking the question. I wonder if he obviously does charge channels to give a shout out on his channel as well. I'm presuming that's the thing, because he did. I think it was. I don't get me wrong. Don't go crazy now in the trolls in the comment section. But I remember it wasn't a Parker who showed him requesting money for a shout out on the channel. Now I get that. That's fine. But you wonder, there is. It's just when you go through his channel, that's all it is, constantly, all the time. It's like and then he had the two-tire thing. I get his news, I get his car news. That's pretty. Look, we all know that. But every time I click into a video, it just seems to be the same thing. It's just. It just kind of gets annoying, and his job is to go sleuthing through Instagram and find out the latest stuff and what's going on and stuff like that. And people literally, unfortunately, I've seen, there's some of his fans, whatever, just lick his ass and have their head up his ass on Instagram. Anything that happens in the car scene on Instagram is straight away he's tagged in it. And there's a lot of good stuff out there to be tagged in, but it's always the main two guys. Again, I know I don't cover news, that's not me. I just basically give my thoughts and opinions if something major happens, but you just feel I haven't seen him with a different heading in a while that it doesn't involve Stradman or DDE. I do try to mix it up with my headings and stuff, but I suppose, look, that's just the way it is. But I'm just seeing it from my point of view, just the way his channel has gone. It just seems like it's a Stradman DDE channel for him now for news in nearly every title. Not, as I said, not always. I don't watch all his videos because it's just it seems to be going down a path of a lot of the same stuff with just who he covers. But I do still watch him. It's just I just cherry pick which ones I want to watch. But I'm just interested to hear your thoughts and opinions, guys, in the comments below. What you think, what direction you think his channel is going to go in. Do you still watch him, or what do you think the way he does his videos? What way do you think it's great actually that he does cover the news. Don't get me wrong, the way he does cover the news. He does say he tries to stay neutral in some of the stuff, but sometimes you really think he does stay neutral in what he says because of him being so biased in who he covers. There is that. I think sometimes I do think he tries to not upset Stradman or DDE if they're ever in any controversy, from what I think as well. I don't know, that's just my own assumption. But it's just, I just said I'd bring it up. It'd just be interesting to hear what he said in the comments below about it. But yeah, look, lads, he's done, look, I'm not doubting he's done a very good job. It's great to have somebody to round up what's going on in the supercar community. And I know he did. It'd be nice if he went back. He did do a segment where he used to cover under 100k or under 50k YouTubers before, and he stopped doing it. And I do, if you look at some of my videos, I always try to cover one or two small car YouTubers in my videos as well, because I think it should be done for such a big platform that he's on. I know, look, he did Brianna with her, getting on to DDE, but like, that's the one small YouTuber I haven't seen cover anybody else in so long. And unless that small YouTuber is cutting across with a massive YouTuber like Stradman or DDE, he's just not going to cover them. So it'd be cool if you went back to doing, finding smaller channels that are under 50k. But I think it's gotten to a point with like Palos and his channel where he's that ingrained into the supercar community now. He's, I don't know if he would really go, I don't think he'd even bother with small car YouTubers anymore, unless something massive happens with them that they cross over with a big channel. That's all it is, and that's the way he's gone, and obviously it's all for the views. So I don't know, guys. Look, as again, not doubting his channel, it's just it just seems like every heading now is DD and Stradman. I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions below. So that's just today's video. Thanks very much for watching. If you watched to the end, check out my other videos if you want. Do hit a like, and it'd be even more dope if you hit the subscribe button and help the channel grow. And yeah, I shall see you on the next episode. Thanks very much. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.